VMware Aria, multi-cloud management and automation. VMware Aria is a cloud management and automation platform designed to help businesses efficiently operate workloads across multiple cloud environments. It provides a unified approach to managing cloud resources, optimizing costs, and automating infrastructure operations. Key components of VMware Aria include VMware Area Hub, a centralized management platform that provides visibility into cloud resources, enabling organizations to monitor, govern, and secure multi-cloud environments. VMware Aria Operations, a performance optimization and monitoring solution that leverages AI-driven analytics to ensure workload efficiency and reliability. VMware Area Automation, an automation tool that streamlines infrastructure provisioning, configuration management, and policy enforcement across private and public clouds. VMware Aria Cost, a cost optimization tool that helps businesses analyze and reduce cloud spending while maintaining performance. Key benefits of VMware Aria include multi-cloud visibility. Gain a comprehensive view of resources across AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and on-premises environments. Automated workload management. Optimize infrastructure with AI-powered recommendations and automated scaling. Security and compliance. Enforce policies, monitor configurations, and ensure compliance with industry standards. Cost efficiency. Reduce unnecessary cloud expenses with intelligent cost analytics and optimization strategies. By leveraging VMware Aria, organizations can simplify cloud operations, improve resource efficiency, and accelerate digital transformation.